In this video, I'll show you a workaround for the something went wrong error code 5 in Google Gemini. If Gemini keeps showing error code 5 whenever you enter a prompt, one workaround that may help is using Canvas instead of the regular chat interface. First, open Gemini and enter your prompt as usual. If you receive the error code 5 message, don't worry. Next, look for the Tools option and select Canvas. Once Canvas opens, type your prompt again and submit it. In many cases, Gemini will respond normally through Canvas, even when the standard chat interface is showing the error. For example, you can enter a simple prompt like, "What is the time today?" and Gemini may generate a response without any issues. This isn't an official fix, but it can be a useful temporary workaround while Google resolves the problem. And that's how you can work around Google Gemini error code 5. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.